a very interesting thing happened. So I was recording my videos, but here a few people were walking and they were watching what's happening here, what I was trying to do. But I was not recording video because I don't feel very comfortable when people are around. I cannot speak. But they were standing here for not very long time, but few seconds. Then I said hi to one guy who was looking at me, and he asked me, "What are you doing?" All those things. I told, and they also asked me, "What? So you do acting or some videos?" I told I am recording this video for my YouTube channel. They asked me, "What is your YouTube channel name? Why are you doing it?" So this is what I wanted to tell you. I mean, why am I doing it? So there are two things that I keep telling in my video. It's let's make our work play. That is the first point. Let us make our work play. And second thing is, let's make our financial freedom journey a sexy one. Including me, I feel most of us, if not most of us, few of us are rushing towards making money. So that is the point, right? We are few of us are rushing hard to make money. We are handling many things. Our eyes are bigger than our stomach because we want to achieve a lot of things. So that is the first concept. So, and second thing is, we are working so hard that we are killing ourselves. We have ignored our health completely. We don't care for our health, and health is something, our body is something that we can easily ignore when we have some other priority work. So that is with me also. Like I easily skip my workout, healthy eating, though it's not happening right now. So it is easy to ignore our body, our health, our own self-care. So what am I trying? It's not that I've completely done it. My effort is through this channel is to make a point that we don't have to work really hard. We can enjoy our work. That is what I'm trying to tell. Let's make our work play. So simple thing, how am I making my workplace? So I'm doing something which I love. I love speaking. So I'm making my YouTube video. I love telling stories. I love to speak about myself, my passion for running. So how am I doing stuff? So I'm writing my book also, and basically I have my job, engineering job, to follow my passion, because I thought if I run morning 1 hour, I feel very happy. I always get excited about reading about fitness and reading books, all those stuff. So I thought if I continue as an engineer, I will struggle 8 hours, because I clearly knew that fitness is something, running is what I was very passionate about, and work is not I'm very passionate about. I had to push myself so much to work, not to work hard. I had to push myself so much to work well as an engineer, but running, I was always excited. I was always looking forward for next morning so that I can wear my running shoe, running cloth, and go out and run, enjoy. So even during 11 p.m. also, night time, I was very happy reading books. So I thought if I quit my job, start my career in fitness industry, I'll be able to work. My passion, my happiness can get much with my work also. That is something I tried, making my work a play. So Robin Sharma keeps telling, right, work like an artist. So I desired that concept where I can work like an artist, enjoy my work, live my life. So spirituality is all about living at present. I felt if I do something towards running, reading about fitness, I can immerse myself in what I do. So that's the concept what I'm talking about. But it was not easy. When I left my job, started my career as a fitness trainer, the journey was not easy. So, but what I'm trying to do through this video, this channel, is I'm trying to explain things where I went wrong. So I may not be able to succeed. I haven't succeeded with this 10 videos. I've done around 10 videos. So I haven't succeed telling what I really want, but I'm trying. So I'm also juggling with a lot of things, but I'm trying my best to give something through this YouTube channel. So that's all about making our workplace. Is we don't have to kill our health, our mental health, our happiness, and ourselves to work. We don't have to really work hard. We can make our workplace and make our financial freedom journey sexy one. We can definitely earn money or earn wealth by doing what we love, and it can be sexy also. It doesn't have to be you have to work 24/7. You have to work 18 hours a day. You work 8 hours a day and make best use of those 8 hours, and in that time also you are enjoying. So that can be making our financial freedom journey a sexy one. So you look forward to work, you look forward to wake up and take that project, because it gives the feels of it attracts you. Sexy, I mean, it is something attractive. So, okay, so in my dictionary sexy is attractive. So the journey can always attract you. Man, I want to go and work there. So yeah, like why can't we think about we go to Goa and take our laptop, code there? Yes, we can go there 1 month and still code, right? We can write our code sitting in Goa, and that is something I feel very attractive. So we can also think in this direction. But yeah, getting to that freedom is I mean, we need to find a way. So and this is what I am also trying to do right now. Is I desire a lifestyle where my place, my physical presence doesn't affect my earnings. So I can be traveling, I can be chilling, but money will be coming into my account. So this is the idea that I'm trying to make. That's what I also call as a sexy journey. So things are going great. So maybe I've gone here, there, everywhere, but the idea is two things that you can take from this YouTube channel is we can work as it is a play, we can work as it is an art. We are creating some paint or we are creating some song or music. It is definitely difficult, but there is a possibility. So I'm talking about that 1% possibility, right? And we can also earn money by doing what we love and making that work as an attractive. So let's make our workplace and financial freedom journey a sexy one. So that's what this 5 to 9 club is all about. So I keep telling, first working hour is for your financial freedom. If you're working for your wealth or tackle the financial problems that you're facing, why don't we, who am I to say, like why don't we work first hour for our financial freedom, so that at least over a period of 1 or 2 years we will have good financial stability. Then we'll be able to make these 2 points reality. Thank you so much for watching. So if you like the concept, you can share it with your friends. That would also help me to become financially free very, very fast. Thank you so much.